system. It's so small.
Okay, we're reviewing the new Nintendo 3DS XL Galaxy Edition.
Okay, so let's pop this thing open. We don't have any manuals, we just have the system. Here you go. Yeah, okay, so... I know. Okay, so here's the system.
Okay.
Here's the...
You gotta be kidding me. You gave me nothing.
But here is the actual system. So this is the Nintendo 3DS XL, the new edition, and let me tap that power button because gotta turn some stuff on. But here, okay, well, it is.
So he downloaded 7 demos, like Smash and all that.
Smash Bros.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about us laughing so much.
In Dragon Ball Z.
I got this game, and I think it's pretty fun. It's a good demo. Okay, so now we're going on to apps and features. First, we are going to be reviewing the Nintendo eShop.
The eShop.
The Nintendo eShop has a huge variety of games. I'm about to show you like a list of demos that you can download. Let me just get to this. And it's really easy to use. I want to show you my bottom screen. Okay, here. No.
You know how he said that has a huge variety of games? Unlike the Xbox One. Because, it doesn't have much games.
Okay, we are going to be reviewing the AR games. Okay, so let's get right into that. So now, the application that we are reviewing is AR games for the Nintendo 3DS.
Isn't AR games kind of like Animal Planet?
No. You need a simple AR card, and it comes with your Nintendo 3DS, whichever one that you get.
Oh yeah, another feature on the Nintendo 3DS is that it doesn't come with a charger. So you're gonna have to buy one for $10.
Yeah. And the way you do it is you open up your AR games by just selecting on it and pressing A. And then it will load up the application. Just keep on pressing the A button until it opens your camera, which I'll show you this. And get your AR card and you scan it. And you keep on playing the game. You learn it once you start playing it. That's AR games. Now we are reviewing Space Raiders, the application. This is extremely easy. It's even easier than playing AR games. So, all you have to do is open it by selecting it in your menu. Okay, so once you open the game, you press A, and you just press A on play, and you select a stage. But if you just started playing, it won't even tell you to select a stage. It will just tell you to take a picture. Boom. Yep. Okay, there. So we get a picture, and so it's gonna analyze your photo, and then it's gonna turn into a face. And now you have to shoot balls at the faces. So basically, like, you shoot balls at the faces. And yeah, that's how you play Space Raiders, the application. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I just want to show you how to power off your 3DS and put your stylus back in. So as you can see, normal 3DS, I'm sorry.
It's on Netflix right now. I don't know why.
But just want to stick the stylus in, like over here, and then goes in really easily. Now you want to press the power button. It will say power off. Press on it, and then power's off. Close your screen. That's it. Now let's start the outro.
What's up, everybody?
You're recording.
Yes, I am.
Okay. 3,
1.
2, 1.
Thanks for watching this video.
Let's get out of the video. Thank you for watching this unboxing and goodbye.
Oh, by the way, send me stuff already, you companies.
See you guys later. Bye.